Imagine this, you're on a plane, no Wi-Fi, and suddenly, a financial emergency strikes. Your car breaks down, or a medical bill arrives. You need to check your budget, but YNAB is only online. Does this scenario fill you with dread? Well, fear not, fellow YNAB users. Today, we're diving into the question, can YNAB be used offline? While YNAB doesn't have a dedicated offline app, there are a few workarounds that can help you stay on top of your finances even when you're disconnected. This is the most old-school approach, but it can be surprisingly effective. Print your budget. Before you go offline, print out your entire budget. This includes your income, expenses, and savings goals. Use a notebook. Keep a notebook handy to track any new transactions or changes that occur while you're offline. Update when online. Once you're back online, input the transactions from your notebook into YNAB. Browser-based offline mode. If you're using a modern web browser, you might be able to access YNAB offline. Enable offline mode. Check your browser's settings to see if it has an offline mode. This feature allows you to save web pages for viewing later. Open YNAB. Try opening YNAB while offline. If your browser has cached the necessary data, you might be able to view your budget and make basic changes. Cloud storage and sync. This method is a bit more technical, but it can provide a reliable way to access YNAB offline. Backup your data. Regularly backup your YNAB data to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Access offline. Download the backed up data to your device and use a text editor or spreadsheet software to view and edit it. Sync when online. Once you're back online, sync your local copy with the cloud version to ensure your data is up to date. Additional tips. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be offline for an extended period, plan your budget accordingly. Make sure you have enough cash on hand to cover your expenses. Consider a mobile app. While YNAB doesn't have a dedicated offline app, there are other budgeting apps that offer offline functionality. You might want to explore these options as a backup. Stay informed. Keep an eye on YNAB's website and social media channels for updates on any new features or changes related to offline access. While YNAB doesn't have a built-in offline mode, there are several workarounds that can help you stay on top of your finances even when you're disconnected. By combining these methods with a little planning, you can ensure that your budget remains accessible and manageable, no matter where you are. So, the next time you're facing a flight delay or a power outage, don't panic. With a little preparation, you can keep your YNAB budget running smoothly, even when you're offline. That said, thanks for watching, and until next time.